The Little Star's Wish. Once upon a time, in the vast sky full of twinkling stars, there was a little star named Stella. Stella was the tiniest star in the entire galaxy, and she had a big dream. Every night, as she glittered in the sky, she would gaze down at the earth with wonder. One night, Stella noticed a child named Lily looking up at the stars from her bedroom window. Lily had a special wish, and Stella felt a deep connection with her. Determined to help, Stella decided to make Lily's wish come true. As the night sky darkened, Stella shot across the sky, leaving behind a trail of stardust. She reached the wishing star, a magical star that could grant wishes. Stella explained Lily's wish to the wishing star, and it agreed to help. The next night, as Lily gazed at the sky, a bright, shining light caught her attention. It was Stella, glowing more brilliantly than ever. Lily closed her eyes and made her wish with all her heart. In an instant, the wish came true. The little star's magic had turned Lily's room into a magical wonderland. Toys danced around, and the room was filled with laughter. Lily's face lit up with joy as she realized her wish had been granted. Stella, back in the sky, twinkled with happiness. She had made a child's dream come true, and that was the most magical feeling of all. From that night on, Stella continued to shine brightly, always ready to make more wishes come true. And so, each night, children around the world would make wishes upon the little star, never realizing that Stella, the tiniest star in the sky, was listening and granting their heartfelt desires. The end.